welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today is our second installment of the random single eyeshadow bingo. I need a name for this. Basically, last month I decided that I am going to get some use out of all of these single eyeshadows that I have. I have 3 containers of singles that I've just collected over the past year mostly, and I never dip into them. So I have a whole palette of Sydney Grace, a whole palette of Copacetic Cosmetics, and an additional palette of Copacetic Cosmetics and Give Me Glow. So I started a series on my channel where I do a random name generator and I generate 5 different eyeshadows and I come up with a look using the 5 random eyeshadows that the picker picked for me. Yes. So if you're excited to see the 5 eyeshadows that I'm going to be digging in today and seeing the look I come up with, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay, so for today, the random generator generated these shades. All right, so this is the color story we are going to be working with today. I'm pretty excited for this one. I accidentally matched it and I am very excited for this. I think I can come up with a really cute holiday look using these shades right here. The first shade is from Give Me Glow and it's called Cream Please. That's going to be a nice base shade. Next, the shade from Copacetic Cosmetics called Sorrel. Their shimmer shades are immaculate, like amazing. I love them so much. Next, we're going with Sweet Jubilee from Sydney Grace. Nice purple shade. Clover from Copacetic Cosmetics. And Lemon, also from Copacetic Cosmetics. Here is the color story I'm working with today. I think I can come up with a pretty cute normal look. Nothing crazy going on today, so let's dive into this look. First, Cream Please, just all over my lid. My lids are currently stained pink. The last video I filmed was a Glam Light mystery box unboxing and try on, and their palette has stained my eyelids pink. So, this is only my second video of this little series and I already love it. I'm so happy to finally be getting some use out of this stuff. That is my goal for 2022. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it's already 2022. What the heck? Yes, I just would like to get some good use out of these things. I keep buying things and never use it. I am a hoarder. I'm a hoarder with good organization skills, so it doesn't seem like I'm a hoarder, but I am. Like, really bad. So this is the year of cutting back, being grateful and thankful for what I already have and just chilling the fuck out. You know what I mean? That's what this year is for me. Okay, I want to take the shade Sweet Jubilee from Sydney Grace and add that all over my lid with a big fluffy brush. It didn't swatch very pigmented, but I'm still going to be cautious because I do not want to have a really messy look today. So I'm just going to take that in my creasy area and on my lid. All of the makeup that's on my face currently is in my Shop My Stash. I just did a update video on that. I will link that down below in case you're curious in what's in my Shop My Stash. No, not my Shop My Stash. What am I talking about? I am doing a Project Pan. I keep forgetting I'm doing a Project Pan. I'm really horrible at it. But if you want to see the update, I'll link it down below. Okay, I don't know if my eyelids are sticky or what's going on, but the Sweet Jubilee shade is, I don't know, you really need to work with it. That's all I'm saying. It's not just a slap on the lid type of shade. You really got to play with it to get that good pigmentation where it's not patchy or like muddy. I feel like I'm currently giving off very much Beetlejuice eyes, but I'm okay with that. Sometimes I wish these were lives so that I could actually talk and interact with you guys, but I am too much of a perfectionist for a live. Like, I have to be able to control what you guys see and how you see it. So a live, it's not good for me. It's not good. Okay. I'm going to stop messing around with that. I like the shape of it and I like the depth that it's giving me. But yeah, you gotta be careful with this Sydney Gray shade. I won these in a giveaway. I'll link that video down below too. I unboxed the giveaway and I also did a look, and actually it's one of my favorite makeup looks I've done this year, so I will link that in the description box below and you guys can check that out after this if you're interested. But yeah, I won all of these Sydney Gray shades in a giveaway. I think I'm tempted to go back in with a little bit of Cream Please just to make sure that all of this is all nice and blended. But I don't want to mess up my edges very much, so I'm just gonna be super casual with it. This is a Real Techniques base shadow brush. They're really fluffy and it's the perfect shape to give me that nice rounded outer corner look. Outer corner look. Why did that sound so weird? On my finger, I am going in with Sorrel, which is from Copacetic Cosmetics. Sorrel on my lid. I don't have any eyeshadow primer on or anything, no glitter primer. I'm just going in with my lid. Sometimes I feel like that's just the best way to apply shimmers is with your finger. On the bottom lash line, I guess I'm going to go in with Clover. On the inner portion over Cream Please, I'm going in with the Lemon shade from Copacetic Cosmetics. I'm just going to do my best to blend them together seamlessly. And that is my completed look using the randomly generated single eyeshadow picks for this week. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed today's look. It's a little different, but again, this is all just for fun, just for me to try out all these singles that I bought and never use. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!